Hello and welcome. I hope all of you are doing well. Today in this video, we are going to be looking at how to make a poster, which is part of the CBSE Class 11 syllabus. This is essentially for 3 marks, and I'll tell you the details as we go along. But essentially, this is part of your creative skills. How well you can ensure that when someone looks at your poster, they get 2 things: information, and they also feel interested in what you have offered as part of that poster. So what are the different things that you need to bear in mind? That's what I will discuss in this particular video. Okay. Now, I've just randomly picked up some videos from the net, in the sense, just to show different kind of posters that you may see at different places. First one is an information poster on COVID-19. The second one is about announcing a party. The third one is about back to school party. It's like an alumni kind of an event where you're passed out of school and you're being invited. Those are great fun because you get to connect with students who you were part of the same classroom, and then you get to see, okay, what has he or she done in the past so many years. In fact, recently I went back to school after 30 years. 30 years after I passed out. Okay, now let's get started. What is a poster? पहले तो ये समझ लेते हैं कि पोस्टर भला होता क्या है. Posters are essentially placards displayed in a public place. Okay, आपको definition कोई नहीं पूछेगा. Okay, so you don't need to bother about rote learning all of this, but essentially to understand so that you can do a poster that much better. So they're displayed in a public place, which means many people are seeing it. So your posters have to be written in a language. Listen to this carefully. They have to be written in a language which is simple, no flowery kind of words. Okay, simple English, which everyone can understand. They're announcing or advertising something, right? Those are posters. They can be notices, information about a particular event. They can be advertisements, like you're advertising for a particular product or event, or they can be an invitation, like what I told you about the back to school party. So they're inviting you to that party, to that alumni meet. What is the purpose of a poster? The purpose of a poster is to create awareness about issues, about an event, about a product, about a particular issue. And we will see that in the examples that I have put in this particular video. Their purpose is to advertise, to extend public invitations, and to display notices. Okay, yahan tak samajh mein aa gaya? Now, what do you need to bear in mind while drafting a poster? One, as I showed you in the first 3 posters, they have to be colorful and attractive, but in your examination, you're not expected to kind of use color pencils and all that. So that's perfectly all right. The idea is they will be looking at the format and the expression. Okay, so that's what gets you the mark. So color, you may or may not do it depending on how much time you have, right? So otherwise, a poster is colorful and attractive, and the aim is to attract the attention of the reader, whoever is reading it in that public place. Excite the imagination. Arey wah, this party sounds good. Look at how beautiful the poster has been made. Of course, these days everything is extended over different forms of social media. So you have audio visual one, but this is the old form where you put up a poster. And in order to influence their minds, okay, this party sounds good. So even if the entry fee is 50 rupees, let me go. It may be worth my money, right? So it has to excite my imagination. You need to give few details, not so much of details. It cannot be one cluttered kind of thing. It has to have few important details and say, for further details, contact so and so. So that if someone wants more details, like for instance, there could be people, parking ka jagah hoga kya, those kind of things. Will refreshments will be provided at the event? Those kind of things. People may want more details. So for further details, you can give a contact number, right? Or address. But highlight only the important issue in that poster. Okay. What is the layout of a poster like? It's visually attractive, which means it's eye-catching. It has to have a catchy title. It cannot be like water event. Koi nahi aayega. Okay. Save electricity. Koi nahi aayega. You need to have more catchy titles which affect the life of the person who is reading your poster. You can use slogans, you can use jingles. If it's a party, you can say, don't miss it, come one, come all, fantastic atmosphere, lively show, things which will kind of make the person FOMO ho jayega, if I miss it out, there will be that fear of missing out. So you need to kind of play on that sentiment. You can make a simple sketch. Nobody's asking you to be a Picasso, but a simple sketch if you have the time, right? A simple drawing. You can have different font sizes in the title. The A can be bigger, the first alphabet can be a bigger size, the rest can be in cursive handwriting. You can have different kinds of fonts in order to attract the attention of the reader. They can be letters of different sizes. There should be proportionate spacing, in the sense, ऐसा नहीं कि everything is cluttered in the top left corner of the poster, right hand side पूरा खाली है, ऐसा नहीं. It should be equally and evenly spaced and divided. Okay. What's the content of the poster be like? It has to have the theme or the subject of the poster, which will be given in your question. There has to be basic description of what that event is all about. Then most important is the one which I've written in black. Essential details like time, date, venue. Especially अगर event है तो कहाँ पर हो रहा है, किस तारीख को हो रहा है, और किस समय पर हो रहा है. These 3 details are absolutely important. Event के केस में you could say things like entry fee, okay, अगर होगा तो. Then who is issuing the poster? That is again very important. So these are details which have to be necessarily there in your poster. What should be the expression like? Expression like किस तरह का language का इस्तेमाल आप करेंगे poster में. Okay, one, as I said, catchy slogans. Okay, use catchy slogans. Persuasive language, don't miss it. Come one, come all. It's a lively show, These are persuasive kind of slogans. There has to be creativity in design and content ताकि आपका poster देखने में अच्छा लगे. अरे इतना बेकार poster बनाया है, कौन आएगा? It should not be like that, right? Then the overall organization and the sequencing of matter, as I said, it should not be cluttered in one corner. The order of things, which I will explain next, has to be perfect. And the word limit, last part, very important. 50 word is your outer limit. Okay, it should not exceed 50 words. That's very important. What is a marking scheme? Format के लिए 1 mark मिलता है, content के लिए 1 mark मिलता है, और किस तरह से लिखा है उसके लिए 1 mark मिलता है. So ये 3 mark की कहानी है बाबू. Okay, so 3 mark के लिए ये आपको करना पड़ेगा. Now let me just okay, let me just hide myself. What is the format of a poster? Name of the issuing authority comes right on top. Then there is a tagline which you can underline. Okay, tagline is the creative kind of a title. Okay, मैं example दूंगा तब आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Then the title or the name of the event जो कि आपके question में होगा. Holy Mela will be your title, the name of the event. Simple. Okay. Then you can write 3-4 special attractions, magic show, fun rides, joker on the house, tambola, you can have different kind of special attraction. Or if there is a special chief guest, you can mention him also. The mayor of Delhi will be our chief guest. Then you can make illustration with or without a caption. कहीं आप लगा सके साइड में जगह फिलअप करने के लिए, तो अच्छा लगेगा, जिससे कि आपका पोस्टर अट्रैक्टिव लगे. कब होगा, जो मैंने अभी बताया. When and where, most important. Entry fee अगर है तो, and other kind of relevant information. Car parking available you can write. Then the contact information. Okay, किसको contact करना है अगर ज्यादा details चाहिए होंगे तो. Format मैं again आपको बता दूं. Issuing authority right on top, कि जो organization इस पोस्टर को पब्लिश कर रहा है उसका नाम बिल्कुल ऊपर होना चाहिए. प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस, इसको आप लिख लीजिए. टैगलाइन ऑफ द इवेंट, कैची स्लोगन जो मैंने अभी बताया. टाइटल ऑफ द इवेंट जो कि आपके क्वेश्चन में होगा. स्पेशल अट्रैक्शंस, व्हाट आई जस्ट नाउ टोल्ड यू. illustration which is a pictorial kind of a representation. Date, time, venue and contact information. Let's now look at a couple of examples. Diwali Mela to be organized by your school. Okay, this will be the mota key part of your question. Salwan Public School के जो भी स्कूल का नाम है, सिटी का नाम दे दीजिए. Cracker of an event, it could be like you can make it's a catchy slogan, right? Lighting up your lives. You know, that kind of a catchy slogan which is associated with what? With Diwali. If it is about Holi, you can say vibrant day of vibrant colors, right? You can have that kind of a catchy slogan. Diwali Mela is in your title, is your title of the Mela, right? Special attraction, attractive fireworks, tasty snacks, magic show, exciting games, right? Now see, I have put two illustrations on both sides. These are simple. You can draw this also. There's no problem. Color करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. Time वगैरह उस पे नहीं लगाना है. But I've just made it so to give you an idea about how to make a poster look attractive. Don't miss it. Okay, you can have this side पे come one come all करके भी यहाँ पे right side पे आप लगा सकते हैं, right? Then date 20th October, जो भी date डालना हो, time 4 PM onwards, right? आउटसाइड टाइम नहीं देंगे, जनरली ऑनवर्ड सबसे 4 बजे से शुरू होगा. वेन्यू सलमान पब्लिक स्कूल, प्लेग्राउंड, रोहिणी, दिल्ली. ₹30 एंट्री फी. अब इसके आगे और आपको डिटेल्स चाहिए तो कॉन्टैक्ट द स्कूल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिस, और फोन नंबर भी दिया है. दिस इज हाउ ए गुड पोस्टर इज टू बी मेड, जिसके कि आपको पूरे 3 में से 3 नंबर मिल जाएंगे. एक और एग्जांपल देते हैं. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ, नाउ दिस इज स्लाइटली डिफरेंट. दिस इज नॉट एन इवेंट. ये इवेंट नहीं है, ये सिर्फ पोस्टर है. इट्स एन अवेयरनेस पोस्टर. इट्स एन अवेयरनेस पोस्टर अबाउट हाउ टू सेव वाटर, अबाउट द नीड टू सेव वाटर. और ये इशू क्या है? वाटर रिसोर्सेस मिनिस्ट्री ने. सो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वाटर रिसोर्सेस, न्यू दिल्ली. सेव वाटर, सेव लाइफ, राइट? और वाटर द एलिक्सर ऑफ लाइफ. यू कैन मेक दोस काइंड ऑफ कैची स्लोगन्स, राइट? इसमें अभी कोई इवेंट नहीं है तो वो दिवाली मेला टाइप ऑफ इवेंट का नाम नहीं आएगा. स्पेशल अट्रैक्शन के जगह पे आप मेन पॉइंट्स लिख देंगे कि क्या आप बताना चाहते हैं. दोनों तरफ इलस्ट्रेशन बना दिए. आप एक नलके का स्केच भी बना सकते हैं, राइट? क्लोज टैप्स आफ्टर यूज, हार्वेस्ट रेन वाटर, चेक लीकेज ऑफ टैप्स, यूज बकेट टू टेक बाथ, यूज रिसाइकल्ड वाटर फॉर प्लांट्स फॉर इन द गार्डन, राइट? इस तरह के आपने दे दिए ताकि कोई पोस्टर देखे उसको इमीडिएटली समझ में आ जाएगा. ये जो 2 इलस्ट्रेशन दिए हैं उससे समझ में आ जाएगा कि ये सेव वाटर की बात हो रही है. स्लोगन भी ऊपर दिया है, 5 पॉइंट भी दिए हैं, एंड फॉर डिटेल्स कॉन्टैक्ट सेक्रेटरी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ वाटर रिसोर्सेस, फोन नंबर भी दिया है. दिस इज हाउ ए पोस्टर which is an awareness poster is to be made. Now what I want you to do is do this exercise. 2 events वाले आप लिखिए. career counseling session, seminar to teach traffic rules organized by Chennai police. ये आपके 2 क्वेश्चन है about 2 separate events. उसके बाद पोस्टर बनाइए on awareness, poster on road safety, poster on need to grow more trees, poster on saying no to plastic bags. इसी तरह के क्वेश्चंस आपको एग्जाम में आते हैं. Okay, so there are 2 types. One is the awareness poster, one is the event poster. Okay, so आप इस बात का ध्यान रखिए. I hope you have understood how to make a poster. It's pretty easy if you follow the basic format, और किस तरह का कंटेंट होना चाहिए और किस तरह के लैंग्वेज में आपको ये पोस्टर्स लिखने चाहिए. Thank you very much for watching.